In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a matrix and rating scale question using SurveyMonkey. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through each step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to SurveyMonkey's website. Simply open your web browser and type in surveymonkey.com in the URL bar. Once the site loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you haven't logged in yet, at this stage you'll be prompted to sign in. A convenient way to do this is by selecting the Google option for streamlined access. Just click on the Google button and select the Google account you wish to use. This will take you directly to SurveyMonkey's main dashboard if you've already registered with that account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Design Survey section. This is where all the magic happens. Here you'll see a Build button. Give it a click. Note that this function is only available for those with premium accounts, so make sure you have the necessary access. Now within the design interface, you have the opportunity to add a matrix and rating scale. Look for the option labeled Add that corresponds with matrix and rating scale question types and click on it. This format allows you to present multiple items to be rated across a uniform scale, offering a clean, organized structure for gathering respondent feedback. Next, you'll enter the specific items you want respondents to evaluate in the rows field. This might include various services or features you wish to assess. Be clear and concise with your item descriptions, as this ensures that participants can easily understand what they are evaluating. After entering your row items, it's time to set the column choices. These choices will serve as the rating scale, helping you collect consistent data across all items. Choose a scale that makes sense for your survey. This could be anything from numerical ratings to qualitative descriptors such as poor to excellent. The key here is to keep the scale intuitive and aligned with your survey goals, as it will facilitate better analysis later on. Once you've configured both your rows and columns, take a moment to review everything and ensure it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with how things look, click on the Save button to secure your changes. And that's it. Your matrix and rating scale question is now ready to be included in your survey. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to create a matrix and rating scale question with SurveyMonkey. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy surveying!